Saxon Phonics, Lesson 32. We're going to be talking about the suffix ed. Let me ask you a few questions first. Do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? Right, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Do you know what kind of letters make up the alphabet? Consonants and vowels. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. What sound do you hear in the final position of these words? Asked, filled, misted. What sound did you hear? And what letters do you think are making the sound? Ed is the sound we hear in the final position of these words. Asked, filled, misted. Ed is the suffix making that sound. When we look at our word, we have a root word and a suffix. Remember, a suffix comes at the end of a word. Repeat these words after me. Asked, filled, misted. We need to box in the suffix of each word. What's the root word of asked? Right, it's ask. So we box in the suffix, ed. What's the root word of filled? It's fill. And our suffix is ed. What's the root word of misted? Right, mist. And our suffix word is ed. Go ahead and get your worksheet out. Look at number 1. Number 1, k. K. You should have written a C, a K, and CK. Number 2, S. S. Number 2 is S. Number 3, M. 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 Number 4, R. 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 Number 5, F. 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 Number 6, T. 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 Number 7, G. 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 Number 8, H. H. Number 9, P. 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 Number 10, E. 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 And it's a short vowel because it says E. Go ahead and look at number 11. Number 11, spell the word sting. 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 E N G STING. Number 12. Stinging. Stinging. Do you hear the root word? Sting. Copy number 11. If the word is stinging, stinging, what do we need to add as a suffix for this word? Ing. Ing. What letters is that? Right. I, N, G. Make the ing sound on the end of words. Stinging. Number 13. D. D. Right. We know it's D, and now we can add ed, because our ed suffix sounds like d sometimes. Number 14. Helped. Do you hear that D on the end? It's not just a D like in 13. We need to add a ed on the end of help. Helped. L. P. What do we need to add to the end of help? Right, our suffix ed. Helped. Helped. Number 15. Filmed. Filmed. Do you know what the root word in the word filmed is? Right, film. Go ahead and spell ilm. Il. M. And what goes at the end of the word if the word is filmed? What suffix do we add? Right, ed. Number 16. Rested. What's the root word there? Rested. Right, rest. R-est. R-est. What goes at the end of the word? Rested. What's the suffix? Rested. Rested. Ed. Look at 17 through 21. They show us our root word and our root word with the suffix ed at the end. Let's code 17 through 21. I will help you with the first few. Il. What do we need to do to that I? Il. Right. A breve goes above the I. We need to do that same thing for over here. And when we have two of the same letter, we don't say fa-il-la. We say fa-il. Let's cross out one of those. When we have a double, we cross out one because we do not sound out both. Fa-il. And what do we do with our suffixes? We box them in. Let's do number 18. Crack. Right, our A needs a breve because it says ah, and we need to Put a line under our digraph. And don't forget to cross off the C. Do those same things over here. And what do we need to do to this word? We need to box in our suffix. Our suffix is at the end of a word. Go ahead and finish 19 through 21 and pause the video. When you're ready for 22 through 26, go ahead and play the video. For 22 through 26, look at the picture of the string. Draw a line from the correct word to the picture. String. String. Right. Number 22 says string. And let's code 22. String. That gets a breathe. And we underline our digraph, NG. When you're finished with 22 through 26, go ahead and flip your paper over. Number 1, Beth kept asking and Dad still said no. Oops. Beth kept asking and Dad still said no. Who said no? Read this with me. Beth kept asking and Dad still said no. Who said no? Right. Dad said no. The spelling's right here if you need it. Number 3. Mom is misting the thick plant. The plant is... Read it with me. Mom is misting the thick plant. The plant is... Right. Thick. Here's the spelling right here. Thick. When you're ready, look down at numbers 5 through 8. Here is a plate. Plate. Splash. Splash. Straw. Straw. Truck. Truck. When you're finished, you may take a picture of the front and back and send that to your teacher.